today we're looking for the Tourette's mating ostrich. We're gonna go looking for her. I hear her. I hear her. We spotted her. Let's poke her. See if she's awake. She seems to be having a Tourette's attack. Oh no! She wants my stick! I'm gonna fight back! Oh no, she got my stick! She got it! Ah! We're gonna flip over and get into our secret habitat! Oh no! Crikeys! She came alive! Crikeys! Coming for me! I seem to be stuck. She's beating at me! She's beating at me! What is she doing? I'm not safe! Crikey! She's having a Tourette's attack! I think we'll leave her alone. Zoom out. Okay, stop it.